Hey guys, I'm Ashif Ali. You're watching CGHOW video. Today we will make Jujutsu Kaisen Energy in Unreal Engine 5. Let's start this. So if you type Jujutsu Kaisen Energy and you'll find these images. So basically in this effect you have a dark, actually black outline, then a faded invert blue thing, and this is all distorted. So let's try to make this in Unreal Engine. So I have this character and a planar and empty material. You can use it on Niagara particle also, but I'll just apply it on this planar. So let's see. So I have this material. I'll make this unlit and translucent and two-sided. And if you take the radial and preview it, it is radial, and you can decrease the radius 0.3, and then I will stretch it. So I will take the texture coordinate and take the scale UV from center and just connect this here, and I'll take that 2 vector and 1 and 1, but I will stretch on Y, so maybe 1.2, 1.3. Okay, this is how it looks. Then what I'll do, I want to make it sharp. You can increase the density, but I'll take the round node, disconnect and preview, and then here I will invert this. So the fitness is here inside, and then I'll multiply these together. So this is what I have. You can connect it in both, and here it is, but we need a black outline. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take this separately, this round. So I'll copy and paste. Oops, copy and paste. And before that, I will multiply it with a higher value, maybe, or you can multiply it later if you want. So I'll multiply here maybe 2, and then again I'll multiply it with this. Or you can use it directly if you want, but then your center will not be transparent. And then you will connect it here. So now you have that edge. So I'll use just 1.2. Cool. And if you want to make that darker, you can multiply here also, maybe 2. And I'll multiply a color, a blue color. Yeah. Now we have our effect, but we want to distort it. So I'll take the noise. If you have noise texture, you can use this. So I will preview it and 0.01, and I don't want this, and maybe Voronoi. And this is what I have. Then what I'll do, I have the radius 0.3. So I'll take the mask and use a Lerp. And if both are 0.3, 0.3, it will be same, nothing will change. So if I preview, but if you change these radius, one of these, it will distort. Okay, so you can make it like this, and you can also animate it. So for that, I'll take the world position, and you can just multiply it. Actually, you have to add time on it, but you can multiply the time, and I want this to go up. So I multiply it with the 3 vector and maybe negative z, and then connect here and connect here. That's all you have to do. And you can also use refraction, but let's try it first. So I'll just try it here and move it here. It looks cool, but we want to add distortion. So what I'll do, I'll multiply this noise with this radial, and I'll saturate it, and then I'll take the Lerp and select this. There's the refraction, use index refraction, connect this, and maybe 1.3, and save, and done. It looks cool, right? You can use different tiling, different things here in this noise. You can reduce these qualities, maybe just 2. It will be very smooth like this, like this. So if you want to make like smooth like this, you can use this. Okay. So I'll increase this.